Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 review. Is this the best foldable yet? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 review. A revolutionary leap forward. Imagine carrying a tablet-sized screen in your pocket without major compromises. That's the bold promise Samsung aims to fulfill with its newest foldable phone. But here's where it gets controversial. While the Galaxy Z Fold7 makes significant strides in design and performance, it still asks for a staggering $1,999. Is it worth the price? Let's dive in. Foldable phones debuted 6 years ago, stirring excitement but also skepticism due to their bulky build and frequent flaws. Over time, manufacturers incrementally refined these devices, tackling issues piece by piece. Samsung's latest flagship foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold7, marks the company's most dramatic evolution yet. This 7th generation foldable is notably thinner and lighter than its predecessors, introducing a sleek new hinge design and a substantial camera upgrade that catapults it closer to mainstream appeal. Gone are the days of foldables feeling like clunky bricks in your pocket. The Z Fold7 weighs just 215 grams, and at 8.9mm thick when closed, it feels comparable to traditional smartphones. In fact, it's even lighter than Samsung's flat Galaxy S25 Ultra flagship, differing only slightly in thickness, limited only by the standard USB-C port size. This balance means you can comfortably use the phone in its folded state without struggling with an overly narrow screen or awkward thickness. The slim form factor owes much to Samsung's new water drop hinge, which gently folds the screen to minimize the central crease and allows a tight closure without gaps. Combined with Samsung's custom Armor aluminium frame, the Z Fold7 offers both sturdiness and an elegant, premium feel. However, the camera bump on the back still protrudes noticeably, somewhat marring the otherwise sleek profile. One slight imperfection is that the foldable screen doesn't lie entirely flat when opened, stopping just short of 180 degrees. While not as pronounced as on some competitors like the first-gen Pixel Fold, it's a subtle design choice that may catch your eye but won't affect everyday use. The outer 6.5-inch cover display now sports a practical 21:9 aspect ratio, minimal bezels, and a bright 120Hz OLED panel, making it much more usable standalone than previous models. It comfortably fits in hand, allowing easy reach across the screen, a notable improvement over Google's Foldable, which features thicker bezels near the hinge. Inside, the headline-grabbing 8-inch flexible OLED with 1968 by 2184 resolution delivers vibrant colors and sharp detail. Thanks to the water drop hinge, the dreaded crease has become nearly invisible, bringing the experience closer to an uninterrupted tablet screen. Keep in mind, though, that the display is covered by a plastic layer that's softer than glass and more reflective in direct sunlight. It also means you need to be careful to avoid scratches, as the screen can be more vulnerable. In pursuing this slimness, Samsung made the tough decision to drop S Pen support, a feature foldable fans appreciated for note-taking and creative work, while the S Pen always struggled with storage convenience in past foldables. Its absence might disappoint productivity enthusiasts who relied on it. When it comes to software, the Galaxy Z Fold7 launches with Android 16 layered under Samsung's One UI 8 and an enhanced AI system known as Galaxy AI. This is the first Samsung phone to ship with Google's latest Android release, courtesy of the new synchronized update schedule. The handset benefits from Samsung's impressive commitment to 7 years of OS updates, matching that of Google's Pixel line. Although updates generally arrive a bit slower on Samsung devices. Functionally, if you're used to Samsung's One UI, the transition will be smooth. Google's new Material 3 expressive design doesn't replace Samsung's established interface, and Samsung continues to maintain its own window management system that offers robust multitasking capabilities. This is where the Fold 7 truly excels. Users can operate up to 3 apps side by side, employ floating windows, and save app groups for quick access. These features transform the Foldable into a productivity powerhouse, something rare in the smartphone world. The AI features, particularly the Now Bar and Now Breathe, introduced earlier this year with the Galaxy S25 series, aim to present contextual, helpful notifications. However, in practice, these tools can feel repetitive or off-timed, often returning weather updates, calendar alerts, and clickbait news. An audio version of the Now Brief also exists, but is arguably cumbersome given the limited content. Still, one positive is Samsung's privacy-minded option to keep AI processing on the device only, avoiding cloud data sharing, a thoughtful feature that will resonate with privacy-conscious users. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold7 boasts the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite chipset, the same powerhouse that fuels Samsung's premium S25 lineup, paired with 12 GB of RAM and options from 256 GB to 1 TB storage. In benchmarks, it positions itself between competing foldables and high-end smartphones, slightly trailing the ultra-premium Z25 Ultra due to thermal constraints. Speaking of which, thermal throttling occurs under prolonged heavy use, such as gaming sessions, reducing performance by up to 40%. But even throttled, it outperforms some rivals, offering smooth, stutter-free multitasking and gaming. Battery life delivers about a full day of usage. Impressive given the Fold 7's slimmer frame and identical 4,400 mAh capacity to its predecessor. However, heavy use of the large inner screen can push the battery down by early evening. Fast charging remains a sore spot, at a maximum of 25 watts wired and 15 watts wireless. It's noticeably slower than competitors with more aggressive charging speeds. Samsung has yet to raise the bar here since the Z Fold 2 era. The camera system has finally caught up to expectations, featuring a 200 MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, the same sensor found on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, paired with a 12 MP ultra-wide and a 10 MP telephoto lens. The Fold 7's camera package is a major upgrade for a foldable. While it lacks the S25 Ultra's 5x periscope telephoto lens, the sensor improvements translate to brighter, crisper photos that rival flat flagship phones in many lighting conditions. Photos in bright daylight are vivid and sharp, though Samsung's image processing tends to saturate colors and increase exposure for a striking look. Motion capture isn't as swift as Google's Pixel phones, which opt for faster shutter speeds, so moving subjects in low light might result in slight blur. The ultra-wide lens is solid for landscapes and group shots, featuring auto. So does all this innovation justify the price? That's the burning question. While the Galaxy Z Fold, Unbox and Review, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Watch 8. Samsung unveils its exciting new lineup, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Watch 8 series, available worldwide. In a monumental launch that is generating buzz worldwide, Samsung has introduced its latest foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, alongside the innovative Galaxy Watch 8 series. These captivating devices offer not just cutting-edge technology, but also the ability to deliver timely health insights, enhancing the user experience in ways most people might overlook at first glance. Interestingly, the pre-orders for these new Galaxy Z foldable phones have already smashed all previous records in the UK, indicating a strong consumer appetite for this revolution in smartphone design. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, A new era of ultra-thin technology with intelligent features, with years of engineering excellence behind them. The Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z Flip7 stand as a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation. These models are not only the thinnest and lightest in the Z series to date, but also loaded with sophisticated features that transform the way we engage with our devices. Imagine having a smartphone that adapts to your needs in real time. That's precisely what these two phones are designed to do. They include expansive and flexible displays, advanced cameras, and AI capabilities that together enhance productivity, foster creativity, and strengthen connections. The Galaxy Z Fold7 captures the essence of the Z series, merging elegant design with high-performance technology. It boasts an expansive screen that makes multitasking a breeze, allowing the user to game, stream, and create seamlessly. Optimized for foldable formats, the AI features facilitate smooth interactions across numerous applications on the larger display. A fascinating aspect of the Galaxy Z Fold7 is the Gemini Live feature. This allows users to hold conversations with an AI assistant about what they are seeing. For example, while exploring a new city, you could snap a picture of a tantalizing dish and ask your AI companion for nearby dining options that could satisfy your craving. Moreover, the device includes an impressive 200 MP camera, providing the ability to shoot from various angles, perfect for capturing professional-grade photos. For instance, a new editing feature called Generative Edit automatically identifies and suggests removal of background distractions, streamlining the editing process significantly. Now, turning to the Galaxy Z Flip7. It condenses flagship performance, intelligence, and unique character into a sleek, portable design. The standout Flex Window feature offers quick access to vital functions and self-expression without needing to unfold the device. This is especially beneficial for users who are always on the go, as it revolutionizes how content is captured and shared, from stunning selfies to cinematic videos, with remarkable ease. The Galaxy Z Flip7 also introduces the bar feature on its Flex Window, providing real-time data, from music playing to your workout progress and even rideshare wait times, right at your fingertips. Users can interact with the camera through Gemini Live for thoughtful conversations on the go, whether seeking trip advice while on a scenic drive or asking for outfit suggestions according to current weather conditions. The FlexCam feature makes snapping selfies remarkably simple, with instant filters available on the Flex window, ensuring photos are ready to share without any further editing required. Adding to the fun, the Portrait Studio feature turns pet photos into artistic creations with just a tap. The progression of foldable technology signifies a leap forward in smart device design, merging AI capabilities with user-friendly features. Both the Galaxy Z Fold7 and Flip7 not only serve as powerful tools, but also fit seamlessly into the user's lifestyle, offering a transformative experience. Galaxy Watch8 series. Comfortable design meets instant health monitoring. Completing the Galaxy experience, the new Galaxy Watch8 series, comprising Galaxy Watch8 and Galaxy Watch8 Classic, embodies innovation on your wrist. With highly advanced sensors, these smartwatches create an AI-driven user experience aimed at promoting a healthier, more connected lifestyle. The ultra-slim design, combined with the dynamic lug system, ensures all-day comfort, while providing more nuanced sensor contacts for accurate tracking. Equipped with Samsung's bioactive sensor, these watches provide continuous health insights, giving users feedback on their sleep patterns, stress levels, nutrition, and physical activity, thus transforming health goals into motivating rewards. Notably, the Galaxy Watch8 features a groundbreaking antioxidant index, enabling users to assess their carotenoid levels in just 5 seconds. Essential information for making informed choices for healthy aging. Join us for a hands-on experience of the Galaxy Z series and Watch 8 series following the Unpacked event. Samsung has launched Galaxy experience spaces in major metropolitan areas like Dubai, London, New York, Paris, and Seoul, allowing consumers to interact with the latest devices firsthand. Each space is designed with engaging zones that showcase the device's aesthetics and performance, coupled with the innovative features powered by Galaxy AI. Additionally, Samsung has partnered with local communities focused on activities like running and photography to conduct sessions, offering tips on maximizing the use of these innovative devices. In the UK, Samsung has taken up residence in Outernet London, creating an immersive cultural hotspot for a limited duration. Visitors will find various interactive zones, informative talks, and a window into Korean culture, alongside opportunities to win exciting prizes. Availability and pricing. The Galaxy Z Fold7, Galaxy Z Flip7, Galaxy Watch 8, and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic are now up for purchase on Samsung.com and at retailers around the globe, starting from July 25th. Consumers can choose from stunning colors for the Galaxy Z Fold7, blue shadow, silver shadow, jet black, and an online-only mint option. The Galaxy Z Flip7 is also available in jet black, blue shadow, coral red, and mint. For those seeking to try foldable technology at a lower price point, the Galaxy Z Flip7 FE comes in classic black or white. So far, the blue shadow has been the standout favorite, making up nearly 41% of pre-orders for both devices in the UK. Notably, purchasers are invited to test these devices for 100 days, with the option to claim a full refund if they decide it isn't the right fit. Terms and conditions apply. The Galaxy Watch 8 can be chosen in two sizes, 44mm and 40mm, in shades of graphite or silver, while the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is available in a rich 46mm, with options like black or white, alongside the new Galaxy Watch Ultra in 4 exquisite titanium options, including titanium blue. As a special offer, purchases made between July 9th and September 2nd, 2025 will include a Duo wireless charger and a Camel hybrid band. Worth £130 when buying the Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. For complete peace of mind, Samsung Care Plus offers protection against accidental damage along with repair and replacement services. From July 9th, 2025, new customers will benefit from 3 free months of Samsung Care Plus, leading to paid coverage beginning from the 4th month. Additionally, you can enjoy extended access to Google AI Pro and 2 terabytes of cloud storage for 6 months at no charge with a purchase of the Galaxy Z Flip7 or Galaxy Z Flip7 FE. If you'd like to explore more about the Galaxy Z series and Galaxy Watch 8 series, don't hesitate to check out the Samsung Newsroom, Samsung Mobile Press, or visit Samsung.com for comprehensive details about these groundbreaking devices. Pricing breakdown. Galaxy Z Fold7 pricing. 12GB RAM plus 256GB, 1799. 12GB RAM plus 512GB, 1899. 16GB RAM plus 1TB, 2149. Galaxy Z Flip7 pricing. 12GB RAM plus 256GB, 1049. 12GB RAM plus 512GB, 1149. 8GB RAM plus 128GB, Flip7 FE, 849. 8GB RAM plus 256GB, Flip7 FE, 909. Galaxy Watch 8, 40mm BT, 319. 40mm LTE, 369. 44mm BT, £349. 44mm LTE, £399. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic pricing. 46mm BT, £449. 46mm LTE, £499. Galaxy Watch Ultra pricing. 47mm LTE, £599.